Lieutenant Governor Brigadier B.D. Mishra has issued strict instructions to the Social Welfare Department demanding accurate data reporting on the Poshan Tracker system. The Lieutenant Governor expressed deep shock after learning that children at several Anganwadi centers in Leh had not been receiving meals from Anganwadi workers. This revelation came during a meeting between the Lieutenant Governor and a delegation of the Anganwadi Workers Association Leh led by its president Sering Dolkar. The meeting was also attended by Dr. Pawan Kotwal, advisor to the Lieutenant Governor, Commissioner Secretary of Social Welfare Padma Angmo, and Director of Finance Dr. Sabdar Ali. The Lieutenant Governor has emphasized that false data uploads on the Poshan tracker will not be tolerated and has called for immediate corrective measures to ensure proper nourishment for children at all centers. Lieutenant Governor Brigadier B.D. Mishra has led the foundation stone of the State Load Dispatch Center cum Renewable Energy Monitoring Center at Choglamsar. The project worth Rs 153.96 crores is being funded by the Ministry of Power and will be implemented by Power Grid over the next 3 years. This critical infrastructure will support real-time grid management and ensure efficient electricity distribution across Ladakh's vast remote regions. In Leh, a special ceremony was held on Monday to honor outstanding achievements in financial inclusion and street vendor empowerment. The Praise Awards 2023-24, organized by the Housing and Urban Development Department, took place at the Eco Park Main Market. This event comes just 2 months after the Union Territory of Ladakh topped the list of small states and union territories for its exceptional implementation of the Prime Minister's Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi or PM Sabnidhi scheme. In the wake of a tragic drowning involving a UTDRF boat in the Indus River, Chairman Hill Development Council Lay Advocate Dashi Galson visited SNM Hospital and met with the patients injured during the rescue operation, offering their full support and discussing ongoing recovery efforts. Sanjeev Khirwar, Principal Secretary of the Housing and Urban Development Department, Ladakh, Tuesday emphasized the urgent need to acquire land from the army for a new sewage treatment plant in Spituk. He was chairing a high-level meeting to address the pressing issues at the Ageling sewage treatment plant, which has been struggling with reduced capacity, affecting waste management and water reuse in the region. Ladakh has just celebrated its first ever Thangda Championship. The inaugural UT Ladakh Thangda Championship concluded at Public Park Jangra, marking a significant milestone for martial arts enthusiasts in the region. Over 150 Our 150 players from across Ladakh gathered to demonstrate their skills in Thangda, a traditional martial art that has deep roots in the region. The event, held under the expert supervision of national referee Tariq Hassan and his team from the Jammu and Kashmir Thangda Association, showcased some incredible athleticism and technique.